So I'm going to take my speed square, okay, and I'm going to draw a line down from my mark. Repeat that over here. Okay, so that's what I'm taking out. I'm going to get my hearing protection, my eye protection. I'm going to make this cut. Instead of using a clampable straight edge, I'm just going to use my speed square. So I'm going to line my blade up with where it's going to hit the mark. Alright. And then I'm going to bring my speed square over to it. And while holding the speed square firmly, I'm going to cut this through. Alright, that worked pretty well. I'm going to repeat that process, and I will cut the other side. But first, I'm going to finish this side, and I'm just going to finish it using a handsaw. Okay, so you can actually make this cut yourself with a jigsaw if you'd like. The thing is, the circular saw is cutting it at a circle, and this top line doesn't go through all the way to the bottom. So by coming back with a straight blade through it, you can cut it right up to that line. So a jigsaw would work great here, but I kind of like the combination of the handsaw because it's easy and the circular saw. So I'm going to cut this other mark out here using the circular saw and the handsaw, and then we'll go back and go on to the next step.